Hey there, homeowners! If you're in the market for a new HVAC AC system in 2025, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the top AC systems that can keep your home cool and comfortable, while also being energy efficient and eco-friendly. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Trane 1520i. This system is known for its incredible efficiency, boasting a SEER rating of up to 22. That means lower energy bills and a smaller carbon footprint. It's also ultra-quiet, thanks to its variable speed technology. If peace and tranquility are your priorities, the Trane 1520i is a fantastic choice. Next, let's talk about the Carrier Infinity 26. This AC system is a beast when it comes to performance. With a SEER rating of up to 26, it's one of the most efficient models on the market. What's more, it features green speed intelligence, which adapts to your home's cooling needs in real time. It's perfect for those who want cutting-edge technology and maximum comfort. Moving on, we have the Lennox XC25. This system is a favorite among eco-conscious homeowners. With a SEER rating of up to 26 and solar capabilities, the Lennox XC25 can significantly reduce your energy consumption. Plus, it's equipped with silent comfort technology, making it one of the quietest units available. If sustainability is your goal, the Lennox XC25 should be on your radar. Now let's not forget about the Goodman GSX16. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option without compromising on quality, the Goodman GSX16 is a solid choice. With a SEER rating of up to 16, it's not as efficient as the premium models, but it still offers reliable performance and durability. It's a great option for those who want to balance cost and efficiency. Finally, there's the American Standard Platinum 20. This system strikes a perfect balance between performance and efficiency. With a SEER rating of up to 20, it provides excellent energy savings and comfort. The AccuComfort technology ensures consistent temperatures, and its durable construction means it'll last for years. It's a versatile choice for any homeowner, so there you have it. The top HVAC AC systems for your home in 2025. Whether you're prioritizing efficiency, technology, sustainability, or budget, there's an option for you. Remember, investing in a high-quality AC system not only keeps you cool, but also saves you money in the long run. Thanks for watching, and